Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to security and privacy, go to biometrics and fingerprints, and now we need to enter our current PIN. And then fingerprints, a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself and apps. Your fingerprint data is secured by Knox. Make sure that you don't use a screen cover while registering your fingerprint, and thick and color protective film can affect performance. If you use a screen protector, check to make sure it's labeled as compatible with the on-screen fingerprint sensor. Continue. To get the best scan, press with the pad of your finger inside the circle, then lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat until you reach 100%. Note that the location of the circle will move a little each time. Register. So put our finger . 100%. Okay, can say done. And then we have our fingerprint 1 here. We can name it. So go back, add a fingerprint, check edit fingerprints, and now we can say to unlock with our fingerprint always on, yes, show icon when screen is off, on always on display, tap to show or never, show animation when unlocking, sure. And now we can go back, lock our phone and want to unlock it now. Put our finger there, and now we're back in the phone. So that's how we can set up our fingerprint to unlock the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.